What's up guys, TJ got Kicks 89 here, and we are back with another unboxing and a short review. And I'm guessing you guys don't know what this is yet, but it's basically a follow-up from last week's or last time's upload. Shipped from Australia. DC shoes box. Receipt. There we go. This is the second color of the Lynx OG, gray orange. This was actually an unreleased sample that Josh Kalis wore in, I forgot what video, but he actually wore this color first. It was a sample. A few other team riders had it. It was never released. Wenning had a few lying around in his house. Some of the Sabotage crew eventually got a few pairs. But this is one of the most sought after grails in the Skate Shoe Wars collection, in an article posted by Rip Laces. So that was a peek. Alright, first time seeing this with you guys. Let's go. Wow. Actually individually wrapped the shoes this time. This is fucking sick, man. The second color of the Lynx OG colorway in the gray and orange. I'm not gonna go into too much details, just gonna give you guys a quick overview. Aptly toe cap. This time it has suede, short suede here, longer suede here, short suede. Wow. Specialty leather. This wasn't in the last shoe. The natural dyes. It says the natural dyes used on this leather may rub off. Alright. Wow. Trademark pill pattern. Impact G, which is actually in orange. Nice touch. I love that. Orange insole, orange interior, DC shoe branding, DC shoe branding, DC shoe branding, more DC shoe branding, classic DC Shoe Company USA branding all the way. I'm just gonna make a quick comparison between this and the Lynx 2 that I talked about last time. This is the Lynx 2, basically side by side. You guys can tell it's more or less almost the same shoe, but this has a lot more tech. This has DGT, which is a multi-density outsole design. Has super suede all over, so they didn't feel the need to use the PAL 2000 AB toe cap. Has this impact protection system, which is just the same as this Impact G. Comes with extra laces, and yeah, you can tell that the lines are different. But I think that this doesn't fit as nice as this. I like the collar height on the back. When you wear this, like, the collar height's a little bit shorter. But let's just get the Lynx 2 out of the way. Let's talk about the Lynx OG, man. So, unreleased colorway, unreleased sample. Really glad to have this in hand. Same price as last time. Let's check the other shoe. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Alright, so that takes care of the review, guys. If you guys want like a side-by-side comparison on which one I like better, comment below. Comment if you love the 90s. This color blocking is so sick. It is. This feels like a kid again, because I've always wanted this specific pair of shoes when I saw it on a kid in Scotland when I was there schooling. So glad that I got this colorway, man. Josh Kalis unreleased sample. This is the Lynx OG in the orange and gray, or gray and orange colorway. Just a quick rant. I think that nowadays, like, fashion is going back to this 90s bulky style. Like, if you look at Virgil's first collection of shoes with Louis Vuitton, it all looks very 90s airwalky. And even ASAP's shoe with Under Armour just looks like basically a D3. So comment if you love the 90s. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Give that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. You know what to do. Thank you so much for staying in tune with TJ Got Kicks 89. I promise I'll try to keep the uploads coming a lot more frequently as I pick up more stuff. Maybe I'll just do like some unboxings and re-reviews of some older shoes that probably aren't relevant today, but I still want to talk about. This is a YouTube channel, so this is what I feel like I want to upload anyways. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys at the next one. This is the Lynx OG in the gray and orange colorway. See you guys at the next one. Thanks so much.